that's another misconception. Editing content is not a great experience. And what is frustrating from the content side, it's that basically, as a content marketer, you need to publish a lot of things very quickly, and also with certain. The idea is to make an appealing content for the people that is reading the content, and sometimes it happens that when you are editing content in these decoupled implementations or headless implementations, you don't really see how your content is going to be showed to other people, no? Or how what is the final product, no? So that's one of the biggest frustrations from content teams and talking with other content marketers, that sometimes you don't know how your content is going to look like, or if you need to edit something, sometimes you are afraid that it's going to break something in the in the code. So you depend a lot of developers, and they helping you, and it's not as easy because, as you said, they are in other projects, they are working on other stuff. So sometimes there are a lot of bottlenecks. But what do you think about this misconception, and how are we tackling this
Yeah.
misconception with Drupal decoupled?
And well, and it's, and there's always, I mean, there's, now you have to think about, now you have two different systems, you know, front end and back end, and you need something to glue them together. And this is
Exactly.
what Drupal Decouple can help you to do. So the way we build Drupal Decouple project, it's provide you with the right tooling for, you know, gluing things together. So provide you with capabilities for showing you how front end is going to look inside your Drupal site where you are building the content. So it means
Right.
you can go right to the page within the CMS,
Mhm.
search for the content that you want to change, and open the content and see how actually looks like on the front end side of things, you know,
Right.
through this, you know, visual, I mean, this iframe, right? Which is, you know, and you can change things on Drupal, and you can save those things, and you can see those, you know, those changes immediately.
Yeah.
And you don't even have to save that. You are working on a better improving the experience. So you're typing things, and you can see how those, you know, keystrokes change the content immediately. So we are providing with that experience as well. So long story short, that you need to glue things together, but fortunately we have Drupal Decoupled to help you on that particular task.
Yeah, and it actually uh, has a lot of impact in the editing workflows. And just as you were saying about the front end developers, it actually frees time from content editors, like having to talk with developers to make little changes or little tweaks to the content. And also, like, sometimes the implementation of a simple block can take hours, but with this iframe, or this pre-visualization of the content, it's actually easier. You don't need to depend on any developer, and actually you can finish publishing whatever you were gonna publish, and go on with another task, no? Because just as the development world, the content world is you benefit from being fast, no? Like, so to shipping things fast and getting to the people that wants to know about your product, your company. So it actually it doesn't only affect like editing workflows. It's more about like the company's goals, no? Because at the end of the day, that's what the marketing team does. Is actually promoting the company, helping them create this useful content. And when you have tools like this, it's way much easier, and it gives you more autonomy. It empowers you in a way. Um,
And helps you on, I mean, on collaborating with other team members. So just long story short, what is easier? Go to a page that you don't see how the content is gonna look like, go to a form, enter things, save, submit the page, and then,
yeah,
you know, after that, going to somewhere else and see how this looks like, or just go to a page, you drag and drop components, you know, entering things on boxes and see those changes, I mean, immediately on your page without having to like save and submit and things like that. So again, it's in that help. I mean, that helps a lot on the content editor experience, on the workflow. I mean, provide a better collaboration and like, you know, it's kind of, it's time to market just gets, you know, improve a lot.